Hi, V-Mom here, and I have this keyboard to review. And this I got, let's see, here's the keyboard. Okay, let's take it out of here so you can see. One con so far is that it was just laid in there with some plastic over it. It didn't really have any type of like padding or what do you call it, styrofoam or anything like that. But it didn't get damaged, so I mean, okay, so it's got this over it. It's this little, and you can use it with this on it and without taking it off, or you can take it off and use the keyboard like this and just put this on to keep dust off. It's really up to you. It depends on if you like the rubbery feeling when you're typing or if you just want to push the buttons. Okay. Let's see. I mean, this is all in a different language, so I can't read it. Let's see. This is the ultra thin keyboard. Alright, here we go. USB plug-in, obviously. PC and Mac. Let's see. Maybe the thing in here says something. No, that's all in different language too. So another downfall to this is that it has no kind of information on it that is in English or Spanish or anything like that. Most of the information, like 98% of it, is in Chinese. This is made in China. Here's the different colors. Sorry. Here's the different colors it comes in. Pink, white, green, and black. And I got the black one. And so I'm gonna take this off for a second. Okay. So, I mean, the buttons are very easy to push. So that's a pro. It's very durable. It feels like, you know, if it was dropped, it wouldn't just mess up like some or break or crack. So that's a plus. This protective shield is a plus because not all keyboards come with that, and it's good for protecting it and keeping dust off of it and stuff, making it last longer. So that's a definite big plus, and the cover is very heavy duty itself. Let's see, it would be easy to plug in because it's USB, which most keyboards are nowadays. So, but that's always a pro. I highly recommend this to anybody looking for, you know, just a cheap keyboard that will last you. So that's plus for this. Thanks for watching. You guys rock. Make sure to check out this keyboard